children, in the previous lesson we learned reducing fraction or the lowest term. What is the lowest term? A fraction where the numerator and the denominator cannot be reduced any further is called the lowest term. Now let's do some exercises to learn more about the lowest term. First one, in each set of the equivalent fractions, circle the lowest term. First one, 2 over 6, 1 over 3, 4 over 12 and 5 over 15. 2 over 6 is divisible by 2. 4 over 12 is divisible by 4. 5 over 15 also divisible by 5. 1 over 3 is not divisible by any number, so 1 over 3 is the lowest term. Second one, 2 over 5, 4 over 10, 8 over 10 and 6 over 15. 4 over 10 is divisible by 2. 8 over 10 also divisible by 2. 6 over 15 is divisible by 3. So 2 over 5 we can't divide by any number. 2 over 5 is the lowest term. Third one, 6 over 14, 12 over 28, 3 over 7 and 9 over 21. 6 over 14 is divisible by 2. 12 over 28 we can divide by 4. 9 over 21 we can divide by 3. But 3 over 7 is not divisible by any number. The lowest term is 3 over 7. Second question, are these fractions in their lowest term? First one, 15 over 20. 15 over 20 we can divide by 5. So, it is not the lowest term. Second one, 2 over 11. This fraction is not divisible by any number. So, 2 over 11 is the lowest term. Third one, 1 over 12 is not divisible by any number, so 1 over 12 also a lowest term. Fourth one, 10 over 17, also we can't divide by any number, so 10 over 17 is the lowest term. Last one, 5 over 35 we can divide by 5, so 5 over 35 is not the lowest term. Third question, reduce these fractions to their lowest term. First one, 28 over 32. We can divide by 4. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. 7 over 8 is the lowest term. Second one, 18 over 24 we can divide by 6. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. So 3 over 4 is the lowest term. Third one, 15 over 25, we can divide by 5. 15 divided by 5 equal 3. 25 divided by 5 equal 5. 3 over 5 is the lowest term. Fourth one, 18 over 45, we can divide by 9. 18 divided by 9 equal to 45 divided by 9 equal 5. 2 over 5 is the lowest term. Children, I hope you can understand what is the lowest term and how to get the lowest term. See my next video to learn types of fractions.